How can you compare fractions with unlike denominators? Think about this question during the lesson. Isabella's father is building a model dinosaur with small pieces of wood. Compare the lengths of the pieces of wood. Compare 1/4 inch and 5/6 inch. Then compare 4/5 inch and 4/10 inch. What fractions are you comparing in this problem? You are comparing 1/4 to 5/6 and 4/5 to 4/10. You can compare these fractions because they refer to the same whole, an inch. What are some ways to compare fractions? One way is to find equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Another way is to plot both fractions on a number line. Compare 1/4 and 5/6 by renaming each fraction so they both have the same denominator. Multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. Do this to both fractions to get a common denominator. Then compare the numerators of the fractions. 1/4 equals the quantity 1 times 3 divided by the quantity 4 times 3. So 1/4 equals 3/12. By what number do you need to multiply the numerator and denominator of 5/6 to get an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 12? Select your answer. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 5/6 by 2 to get a denominator of 12. The quantity 5 times 2 divided by the quantity 6 times 2 equals 10/12. So 5/6 equals 10/12. Compare the numerators of the renamed fractions. 3/12 is less than 10/12, so 1/4 is less than 5/6. Compare 4/5 and 4/10 on a number line. The tenths are shown below the number line. The fifths are shown above the number line. How does the number line help you understand how the fractions compare? The fraction that is farther to the right on a number line is greater, so 4/5 is greater than 4/10. Why is 4/10 less than 4/5, even though 10 is greater than 5? When the denominator of a fraction increases, the size of each part is smaller. If the number of parts, the numerator, is the same, the fraction with the lesser denominator is the greater fraction because each part is larger. So 4/10 is less than 4/5, even though 10 is greater than 5. Now you know how to compare fractions with unlike denominators.
Great job!